So guys, I'm gonna be making bake and ackee and saltfish. So this is my saltfish. I already washed it and I was soaking it for about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it to boil for about 10 minutes just to get the salt out of it. So first you're gonna wash your saltfish, put it in some fresh water to cover it. Then you're gonna soak it for about 15 minutes and then you're gonna boil it. So I'm lighting my stove and I'm gonna leave it there to boil for about 15 minutes. And guys, yeah, when you're boiling saltfish, please do not cover it, because if you cover it, it's gonna boil all over your stove. So just leave it open like this and it will boil that way. It's fine. You don't have to cover it, because if you do cover it, it's gonna be boiled over your stove and you don't want that. So leave it open and leave it to boil for 10 minutes. So guys, as you can see, my saltfish is boiling, looking nice, and I'm just gonna leave it there and allow it to keep boiling. And I'm gonna show you guys when I finish boiling my saltfish. So guys, as you can see, I'm changing my water to cook the saltfish again, because you know that saltfish is very salt, so you need to cook it twice to get all that salt out of it. There you go. I'm gonna boil it for another 10 minutes and then it's gonna be all done. This is the second time I'm boiling my saltfish. So guys, that's my saltfish done boiling. I'm just gonna set it aside for when I'm gonna do my ackee and my onions and stuff, when I'm gonna season it, show you guys how I do my ackee and saltfish. Guys, now I'm gonna do my ackee and saltfish. That's my ackee over there, that's my saltfish. This is some onions and this is some tomato and a bit of pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my saltfish. So there you go. I'm gonna put those aside and I'm just gonna break my saltfish up just like so. So you guys can see, just like so. I don't want to break my saltfish too much. There you go, guys. You just need to break them up however size you like and however you want it. Just break them like so, and that's it. Saltfish all done breaking up. So guys, I preheat my oil. Now I'm gonna put my onions in. I love onions. And I'm just gonna let them sauteed. Now I'm gonna add my tomatoes. This is my hidden spoon. So guys, I'm gonna cover it and leave it to saute for like 2 minutes. Then I'll have a look at it again. So guys, That's how my tomato and my onion look after 2 minutes. I know a lot of people put like red peppers or green peppers in their ackee and saltfish, but I do not like that in my ackee and saltfish. This is how I like my ackee and saltfish. So now I'm just gonna add the pepper in. You don't have to add pepper, it's up to you how spicy you like your food. And I'm gonna add my saltfish in. And you're gonna give it a stir. Look how nice that looks, guys. Make sure you cook this on a low heat. I'm gonna cover it for another 2 minutes. So guys, I'm gonna put my ackee in. I'm gonna put my ackee in, and my ackee is Tin Ackee. You can get this at any Caribbean shop or any shop that sell Caribbean stuff. This is the ackee from the tin. As you know, we're in England, so it's not from the tree, it's from the tin. So I'm adding my black pepper. I add my black pepper, and here guys, this is how it looks. You cannot do ackee and saltfish without black pepper. That doesn't work. That just doesn't work. And there you go, guys. That's how my ackee look. My ackee and saltfish look at the moment. I'm just gonna cover it and let it steam for like 2 minutes, and my ackee is gonna be all done. And when I plate my food up, I will show you guys how my plate look with my bake. So guys, as you can see, my ackee is steaming lovely. That looks so good. I can't wait to eat this. I literally can't wait to eat this. Get that pepper over there. There you go, guys. That's the ackee all done. Very quick, easy, and simple.